Welcome. Today I'll show you how to schedule a live stream on your Telegram channel with the latest updates. If you want to connect with your audience in real time, scheduling a live stream is a great way to let everyone know when to tune in and maximize your engagement. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and have admin access to the channel where you want to host the live stream. Now, find your channel in the chat list and tap to open it. At the top of your channel, tap on the channel name. This will take you to the channel's main profile page, where you can see all your settings and options. Next, look for the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on these dots to open the channel's menu. Here, you'll see several options for managing your channel. From the menu, select Schedule Live Stream. This is the feature that lets you set up a live stream for a future date and time, so your subscribers get a notification and can plan to join you. Once you tap Schedule Live Stream, you'll be prompted to choose the date and time for your broadcast. Pick the time that works best for you and your audience. After setting the schedule, confirm your selection. Telegram will now display a countdown to your live stream in the channel, and your subscribers will receive a notification about the upcoming event. This helps build anticipation and ensures more viewers join your stream when you go live. That's it. You've successfully scheduled a live stream on your Telegram channel. Remember, you can always edit the scheduled time if plans change, and Telegram makes it easy for your community to stay updated. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who want to boost their Telegram channel engagement. Happy streaming!